Hey guys, this is Garima from Doodle. So today I have come up with the easiest trick that can make your projects, your greeting cards like so beautiful and pretty, and even if you don't know calligraphy. Back in the times, I used to use these stencils that the stationery shops used to have, and let me show you. So these were the stencils that I used to use. This one is in the small, and this one is a font bigger. So I went on Amazon and I found some stencils which are in different fonts with the upcoming brush calligraphy stencils. So I thought to review and try it for you guys. So I bought these 5 stencil in just like, I would say 300 rupees, and um, considering the quality, they are a bit flimsy, as you can see. Comparing it with this stencil, these stencils are a bit flimsy, so when you are drawing on the paper, they tend to move, but for the fact that you're just getting 5 stencils for like 300 rupees is a very steal deal. So considering, let me show you the fonts that they have. There's this one, then there's this one, then there's this one. I've not opened this. Then there's this one, it's a bit in a comic font. Then there's this one, the basic one. So let's try these stencils and show you that how can you make your projects and your greeting cards or XYZ thing beautiful so that people believe that you know calligraphy. Let's get started. So starting on with the first stencil, this font is, I would say, a bit boxy and comic both at the same time. And I will try to write the word keep with this stencil that I'm using, the first one. You will have to be careful when writing letters which have joints, such as letter E, and later on join them. The next stencil that I'm trying is the font that I would call italics, and I will try to write the word calm with it. Personally, I liked the second stencil more than the first one. The first one, I did not like the finish of the letters as I liked with the second one. I used two more stencils and wrote the word cool and love. I hope this video helps you in making your projects beautiful. Comment down below what content you would like to watch and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Till then, take care everyone.